Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. Now in this tutorial, in this video, we will see how we can create our structure, our UI, something like this. So we can create get books, add books, and then we can show the details below to that. So let's go into the project. Here we have written h1 tag. So now instead of h1, let me write here dev, and this dev will be the main tag. So now what we will do, we can create here one button type equal to button, and then we can say that button name is get books. This is our first button. Similarly, we can create the another button that we need button, and then here we can say that we need add book. So two buttons we have added here. If I'll save it and then we'll go here, you can see we have now these two buttons are showing. Now let's go and just add one. So here we can say we can add action on click. So once we will click on this button, then what should happen? So on click we can call this dot get all books, right? So we can create one function, this dot get all books, and then it will fetch all the books and then will display just below to that. So first thing what we have to do, we have to register this book here. So we'll do this dot get all books equal to this dot get all books dot bind, and here we can pass this. So by doing this, we are just registering one method here with this component. Now after that we have to create this books also. So what we will do, we can write here get all books, and in this get all books we have to basically write the actual logic to fetch the data. So here we will write logic to fetch data from API, and API will be, so we can go on Swagger, and from here we can see our first API is API/books. So we have to write localhost 8080/API/book. This is the first API that we need to write here. So we can say API/books. This is the API that we need to use to fetch the data. And then what we will do, we can store it in the state, and then after that we can print it. So let's see how we can fetch the data